technologies which are easily integratable. So HTMLs and XMLs or PDFs and all of these kind of stuff is easily integratable with any of the other solutions. Okay, I think I'm a bit short on time. I'll quickly rush through things. So application change here, basically I'm talking about change in, as I said, change in objects in data workflow, highlighting the changes and managing the impacts. Wherein any change that happens, you should be able to immediately arrest the change, highlight it, saying that okay, these are the test cases that are impacted, these are the objects that are impacted because of the change, right? This is the data that probably might need to be changed. If you have arrested the change in all these three different dimensions, you should be in a much better position to manage your test automation. And more importantly, always ensure that when you are making a change, you should be in a position to isolate that change, because otherwise any change that you are introducing, let's say a script change or let's say an object change you are able to do, your framework should be in a position to allow you to make that change only to impact a particular test case or a set of test cases that you know that you have to impact, only those set of test cases. So you should be able to isolate that change very clearly, because that the change that you are introducing should not unduly impact, let's say, other users or other test cases or other current executable test cases in the production environment and all that. So the agility I spoke about, especially the additional point here is mainly to ensure that it allows you to quickly move in terms of test automation. So any test cases that you have developed, you should be in position to quickly deliver them into your production. Go integrate them with your build automation process, any of your Jenkins and cruise controls and all of these kind of continuous integration solutions, right? So that it gets into it goes ahead and ties up into your build automation cycle, which actually is the final way that you can get the best benefit out of test automation. Okay, with that I've come to the end. Just to remind you of the objectives. Keep it very simple, to keep it extremely fast in productivity, and to make it extremely reliable with the change management capabilities, right? So, and that's what scriptless test automation engine is all about. With that, I